Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can make $3 per hour, 24 hours, $72 per day doing nothing. Just allow the radio to play in your computer or your laptop or your smart device, your tablet, or wherever the smart device you have. Play that radio every single day. You can make $72 per day without doing nothing. I'm gonna show the two websites that you can do that. Before that, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like and share and press the bell icon so you will get notified when I release new video. Also, if you really like my video, click the like button on the bottom of the video. So the first website, without doing without just talking anything, I will directly show the first website and the second website. Please watch continuously. I will do the step-by-step guide how you can make money, and I will show my flow. It's working at the moment. I will show everything straight away. The first website is called RadioEarn.com. RadioEarn.com. When you visit that, click how it works. So this is the system how they work. First, sign up is 100% free. You don't have to do anything, you don't have to buy anything. There's no premium account or nothing there. Just like that, sign in is 100% free. Then after you sign in, log into your account. Then there's a thing, start earning by click and open your radio link. You don't have to click and open every single time, just one click and open the radio link, and when the radio play, you get paid for that. Or you can use an API key and add that radio station into your website. You can convert any of your, you can change that radio station as your radio station. When the viewers from your website click and listen to the radio station, you get paid for that too, and you can earn for 15 minutes, and you can withdraw the money using PayPal, gift card, Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, or you can use a Payoneer, Skrill and other payment system. Now you're gonna get 0.25 points per 15 minutes, which means 1 point per hour. 1 point is equal to 3 USD. So every 1 hour you can make $3. So if you allow the radio to play for 24 hours, you can make $72. So if I click log into my account, it will take to this page. You see I held 25 points here. This is the radio station is playing at the moment, 1 point earned. Next point is in 13 minutes. So if I click here and open this start earning and click listen to radio, this will give a 3 links. You can see radio station 1, 2 and 3. At the moment my is radio station 3. Now you have to be careful here. This 96.5% and a red bar mean this website has too much traffic at the moment. So when you click this link, some of them won't work at the moment because of too much traffic, too much users are using. So just see in a couple of minutes it will turn to the blue, that percentage reduced to 90%, which means you have more space to do. So click the link and allow to play. It will continuously play in the background. You don't have to listen to you don't have to do anything, just mute the video and mute the music and it will play in the background. You have a 3 choice. You have a mixed music, top 100, or dance, or remix, or you have a easy listening music. This is how you can make money. You can see I already earned 25 points. So if I click point exchange, it will take you to this page where you can see 1 point is equal to 3 USD. So every time, every 15 minutes you get 0.25 points. So on 1 hour you get 1 point, which is equal to 3 USD. Now this other way you can earn money is called surfing. You can click the link here and serve a website, and you get paid for saving the website or searching website. So that you have to do that. And other site which I'm gonna talk about is called For My Website. If you click this one, it will give you the radio API key, which is this one. Now you can modify key into adding your own name. Is the plain mode, so you can add your own name, own website domain and put it in your website, and when people click it and listen to music, and you get paid for that. This is how one of the systems you can earn more points other than just listening to the music. That you can share API key in your, for example, you have a music related website or affiliate website, that you can put this radio station there, so when people click and listen to the music, you get paid for that. Now other site here is called, we click for my website, and there's a section called script download. I don't know, it's not script download for my website, and click documentations, and that's not either. Okay, this is the section, it's called advertise member. It will give this a reward code. This is the reward code. If you share the link and the people click and sign it up, you get 5% commission every member you recruit, which means you can earn for lifetime 5% commission whatever they earning from the site. Also, you can put this banner advertisement if you have a website on the bottom footer of your website, and when I click and sign up, you get paid again 5% commission from every member for lifetime. So this is how one way that you can make money by listening radio or music, whatever you can say. You can see the moment I have another 10 minutes left at another points, so every 1 hour I can make $3. So in a 24 72 hours, if I allow to play that in my laptop or in a tablet, I will make $72 per day every single day. Now the second website is called Cash for Minutes. Cash for Minutes is, again, if you have a mobile network that you have a allowance, for example, Cash for Minutes is an unique service that allow you to earn cash with monthly unused phone minutes simply by listening to the internet radio broadcast. So if you have a mobile network that you have 1,000 minutes, they are only using 200 minutes per month, and 800 minutes is left, right? So you can, what you can do, you can join this website. You can see over 11 million paid from 2014, and they only have 44,000 users here. So what you do, you have to come here and sign up, and you need to join your mobile phone number network with their website. And before that, you need to make sure with your mobile provider that a certain country is free to call, otherwise they will charge you for that. So you need to make sure which countries that you can call for free without getting charged. After you've done that, what you have to do, once you sign up and connect your mobile network with them, they will give you certain numbers on the menu section. Just open the menu section and see the numbers available. Mostly is foreign countries, you can't get the numbers in the same country that you are originated from. So call the number, they will connect your phone number with a nearest radio stations and the country, and listen to that, and you get paid for that. It will work with your mobile phone, also with your land phone. So you can either listen to the music using a smartphone, or your land mobile is working fine with them. And you can see speedy payment through PayPal, and also you can get paid to refer a friend. So this is how you can make money by listening to the radio or playing the music. But Cash for Minutes, I don't recommend that at the moment, because you need to connect with your phone. If you get charged extra for your foreign calls, you're gonna lose the money. So I recommend to go to RadioEarn.com. I put the link in the description. Go and sign it out so you can help. I can make money in the site. It's an affiliate link. Again, if you want, you can click a link and join with them, and the site definitely pays. You can see another next 7 minutes I'm gonna get 25 points, which is nothing for you guys. You can make money by doing nothing, doing your work. Just play the music in the mute. Every hour you can make $3. So thanks guys for watching my videos. Subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon if you want to know more about money making online, and like my videos.